Just a quick video to show you what we're up to here at Mullet Door this week. There's no doubt about it that their setup was inspired by Dustin Hunter over at Hunter Trim and Door in Texas. So thank you, Dustin, for the inspiration and sharing your lean experiences. Paying it forward is such a big part of lean, and I'm glad that you're part of our community. Now here's a company that took their lean training to new heights. I couldn't believe it. I walked in the door and I saw what they'd set up in their panel processing area, and I was just blown away. This is a true one-piece flow cell, right from the rough cut to the manufacturer of the panel. As you watch the operator, everything is one at a time. He found a mistake on that one panel, he's fixing that one panel, getting it back into production, and off they go. They were not afraid to connect processes. Look how close these big production machines are together. Now they just put some glue on that panel and in the RF press. Now once all our parts are in the press and the press is closed, we're going to use that press cycle time to determine how long we have to get the next panel ready. So once the press is closed, off he goes and he starts the process all over again, making his next panel. This is so counterintuitive to the batch processing that we're all used to. But you'll notice how fast it is when you just watch the parts. The press opens, the operator's going to go grab that panel. He doesn't set it on a card, he takes it right to the next station and cuts it to size. Once the panel's sized correctly, he doesn't put it on a card, he doesn't put it in a pile, he walks it right over to the thickness planer. Then the panel's ready and waiting for the next step in the process. So when I got here to Mullet Door initially, I was so blown away by how close they put all of these huge production machines. Typically, you don't see that anywhere. So I wanted to get real feedback from the operator and ask the man who works in this cell, how does it work for him?
Okay, I'm working first day. I'm very confused. It's too close. It's now me very light. It's very fast, very close. Me like it. Одна панель в одно время.
That's Russian for one panel at a time, or something like that. We just finished another absolutely killer day at Mullet Door. Lean is on fire. The guys who are making the stiles and rails saw what happened in the panel department, and they decided, you know what, if they can do it, we can do it too. And they went and started connecting their processes. Wait till you see the video. Their rails go from solid rough lumber to the first piece going through the shaper in 1 minute and 40 seconds. This is gonna blow your mind. Now I did speed up the video a little bit so you don't have to sit through the whole 1:40, but certainly you're gonna get the idea of how this works. I know what you're thinking. You're thinking, how could this possibly be faster? I'm too busy. I can't afford to have my people standing around waiting for boards to come out of machines. The reality is they're probably really busy just because of the amount of overproduction going on. When you eliminate the overproduction, magic happens.
I love it now. I like the thought of all the less walking and stuff, but when we first put the machines so close together, I thought they were just too close. Couldn't work together with other people that close, but now I love it. It's the way to go.
How did you like that? It almost looks too easy. And how could that possibly be productive when the guys are mostly standing around and they're carrying one piece of wood over to a machine, and then you've got these monster machines that are just getting one little piece of wood stuffed in them. But next time you're in your shop, get a stopwatch and time how long it takes from when the guy picks up the board as rough lumber until it's at your shaper. I think you'll find that 1:40 is really tough to beat. Well, if I know Alvin and his amazing crew, There's no way that they're going to stop there. Now that they've seen the power of one-piece flow and connecting processes, I can't wait to see what they do next. Congratulations, Mullet Door, and thank you for letting me be part of your team.